Important note. If you use a new SD card, at least 16 GB, you need to follow all steps. Software preparation 2 Step 02 Step 6. Part 2. Software installation, software preparation. OS, Raspbian. Imager utility, Win32 disk imager utility. Format tool, SD formatter, optional. SSH tool, PuTTY. Visit www.osoyoo.com website. Find the tutorials about Raspberry Pi Robot Car. Click Raspberry Pi Robot Car Lesson 1. Click Software Installation. Click links to download these files as per your needs. Download Win32 disk imager utility. Download Raspbian OS system. Choose April 18, 2018 Raspberry Stretch.zip. Download SD card formatter tool. Download SSH tool. Choose the correct package file. Step 0. Install Raspbian Operation System OS onto your SD card. Skip this step if your SD card has pre-installed OSOYOO robot image. Use the SD card formatter to format SD card. Choose Quick Format. Install the Win32 disk image utility. Open Win32 disk image. To write Raspbian image into SD card. Choose the downloaded Raspbian system. Click Write button. Install PuTTY SSH tool. Step 1. Connect Wi-Fi. Connect Raspberry Pi to your HDMI monitor or TV. Put a keyboard and mouse into Raspberry Pi USB ports. Insert SD card into the slot on your Raspberry Pi. Click on the wireless icon top right on desktop. Select your Wi-Fi SSID and connect it. Once your Pi is connected to Wi-Fi, you can hover your mouse to the Wi-Fi icon to see your IP address. Or type sudo ifconfig valon0 command in terminal. Your local IP address will show in valon0 block. Please remember above IP address. It will be used in the step 3. Step 2. Open SSH Connection. Visit www.osoyoo.com website. Find the tutorials about Raspberry Pi Robot Car. Click Raspberry Pi Robot Car Lesson 1. Click Software Installation. Or copy and paste command. Type command sudo raspi config to open SSH function. Press Enter button. Choose Advanced option. Choose SSH. Press Enter button. Choose Yes. Press Enter button. Choose Finish. Press Enter button. Step 3. Use SSH to connect Raspberry Pi terminal remotely. In order to make the car moving freely, we need disconnect Raspberry Pi from monitor, keyboard, mouse and use SSH to send command to Raspberry Pi terminal remotely. Open PuTTY to type IP address. Type Pi and password Raspberry. Step 4. Open I2C function. Type command sudo raspi config to open I2C function. Choose Advanced option. Choose I2C. Choose Yes. Choose Finish. Step 5. Install GPIO library. Copy the command and right-click to paste into Raspberry Pi terminal as per our tutorial. Please press Enter button after type each command. 1. Update Raspbian repository. Type cd command and press Enter. Type sudo apt-get update. Press Enter button. Two. Install Python pip, Python Sumbus, and GitHub. Type sudo apt-get install build essential Python pip Python dev Python Sumbus git. Press Enter button. 3. Install GPIO library. Type git clone https://github.com/adafruit/adafruit_python_gpio.git. Type cd adafruit_python_gpio. Type sudo python setup.py install. Press Enter button. 4. Remove installation files and save disk space. Type cd command and press Enter. Type sudo rmfr adafruit_python_gpio. Press enter button. 5. Download testing Python code. Type cd command and press enter. Type OSOYOO robot /. Press enter button. Type cd OSOYOO robot /. Press enter button. Type http://osoyo.com/driver/motor-test.tar.gz. Press enter button. Type tar-zxvf motortest.tar.gz. Press enter button. Step 6. Run testing Python code. Type cd/osoyo robot/motor test. Press enter button. Type python motor test.py. Press enter button.